Your mind's not broken, it's just loud. But give me 50 seconds, and I'll show you how to quiet the storm. Section 1. The truth about mental noise. You check your phone 96 times a day. You chase dopamine, scroll, switch, escape. But peace isn't hidden in more apps. It's in less noise. Cliffhanger. So how do you train calm when the chaos never stops? Section 2. The 50-second reset. Here's how. Step 1. Close your eyes. Step 2. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Out for 6. Step 3. Ask, what thought is making me anxious right now? Step 4. Whisper, that thought is not me. It's just a wave. Step 5. Exhale. Let it go. That's 50 seconds. And if you do this daily, you don't manage stress. You train your mind to transcend reflective comparent. You don't need an hour-long ritual to reclaim your peace. Just a pause. Just 50 seconds. Try it now. And if it calms you, don't just watch. Share it with someone who's drowning in noise.